was me!
Behold! The power
With sea
of an
powers,
angel!
I'm giving the whole world a chance to cuddle with the creatures of the sea!
Welcome to the cloning popper, Spongy Boy!
Do not pop, SpongeBob!
It's hot in here. I feel funny. Whoa! Hey, what's the
Judgment! The insignificant!
Which one is the real me?
I don't even know who I am anymore!
Destroy!
Perfect. Now give it a little time for them to grow to actual size.
Hey, blue hair, over here!
The insignificant!
Needed more time to grow!
We've got a SpongeBob spill on aisle 5.
My end is now!
Sorry, Tiny SpongeBob.
I just want to tell you not to feel bad because this was not your fault. Bikini Bottom is your home.
You're my family, and I don't turn my back on kids.
Fix that machine now!
Judgment!
Off of me!
Prepare thyself!
Science!
No!
I said right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see ya. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heat.
Die!